Happy New Year. Well, I mean the financial one. Why not give yourself a chance today to dive into the revolution that's going to transform the world over the next decade without even spending a single penny out of your pocket? Data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, generative AI, chatgpt. You must have heard about these buzzwords, and they might already be transforming the industries that you're working in. Whatever function you're working in, these skills are going to be very useful for you in your career. I'm asking for just a small time commitment of 15 minutes every day, where we will learn a new concept from scratch live on YouTube. We will go over the basics, fundamentals of data science, go over Python for data science, learn this fantastic programming language which has taken the industry by storm. We'll then go over to statistics for data science, machine learning algorithms, deep learning, optimization, causal inference, and a lot of other topics. And all of these will be delivered in bite-sized chunks of 15 minutes each. There'll be a mix of theory and practical, and towards the end of each session, there will be a question and answering session where I will go over the popular questions asked in the chat. Remember, you can always rewatch these sessions after the session has ended in case you were not able to attend it live and you are not spending anything from your pocket. You must be wondering, who is this person talking about this stuff? Hi, I'm Anant Agarwal. I work as a data science manager at a Fortune Global 500 company. I hold a bachelor's degree from IIT Kharagpur, a master's degree from the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, and an MBA degree from ISB Hyderabad. Over the past 2 years, I have taught more than 600 students data science, and I have been featured in popular platforms like Analytics Vidya and Altair. I am very passionate about teaching data science, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow sharp at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which is the time where we will be delivering these sessions. Hit that subscribe button now and the bell icon so that you don't miss a single session. Stay tuned and see you tomorrow live.